I'm Tim Fortescue, a life coach coming alongside of folks in their personal and spiritual development. And today I'm going to lead you through a guided meditation exercise inspired by Susan McConnell on sending self energy to a part through breath. I'll be using the internal family systems approach. If IFS is new to you, check out my recorded talk and meditation on the basic assumptions of IFS. So, as we begin, I invite you to get settled. It's best to have both feet on the floor if you can. And know that you can pause this recording as often as you and your system need, if you need more time. Notice where your body comes into contact with the ground where you are. You can close your eyes if you'd like to. But if you prefer, you can just let your gaze rest softly in front of you. And as you get settled and comfortable, bring awareness to several of your breaths. With each inhale, feel the spaciousness in your body. And with each exhale, let your awareness go deeper in your system, your inner system. And as you deepen, you may find a part that's ready to be known. Remember that a part can be something like a thought, feeling, impulse, belief, sensation in your body, among many other things. And invite the part that is most evident into the spaciousness that you've created through your breath. Notice how you feel toward the part. And your breath might give you an embodied clue as to how you're feeling. And if you feel anything that doesn't indicate self energy, things like calmness, compassion, clarity, connection, curiosity, confidence, courage, creativity. If you're not feeling something along those lines, then realize that that's another part. Maybe there's some resistance, wanting to push away. Then locate that part in your body and just welcome it in, no judgment, and invite that part into the spaciousness instead of the first one. And if you feel some degree of embodied self energy toward the part, breathe into where you feel some quality of self energy. And breathe this energy out to where in your body you feel the part. And do this for several breaths. Breathing into self energy. Breathing out self energy to the part. And the part might feel rocked in the rhythm of your breathing. Just continue breathing, sending a sound from your self energy to the part as you exhale. Maybe something like or ah. Experiment with a couple sounds that feel right for you and notice how the part responds to these sounds. Continue breathing. Maybe it's helpful to send a verbal message along from yourself to the part, like, you're enough. I'm here. You're loved. Just experiment with a couple different words and notice how your part responds as you continue with the rhythm of your breath. The part might want a song. It might have a story to tell you. Continue to take as much time and space interacting with this part, listening, sending self energy through breath. And feel free to pause if you want to spend more time, as much as your system and your schedule would like or allow. And when it feels complete for now, thank your parts for all they've done. Let them know that they're not alone. Let them know you want to spend more time with them if they'd like that. Let them know when you'll do this. Make a commitment later today or in the next couple days. And when you feel ready, you can transition back to where you are. You can open your eyes if they were closed and continue about your day. But thanks for joining me for this meditation and exercise, and take good care of yourself.